It is December 9th. Wishing you a happy day 9 of Vlogmas. Just wanted to give a quick update before we run out of the house because I woke up late again. Who would have thought? Woke up at like 12:30. I've been editing, or maybe later than that, I don't know. I've been editing for like an hour. It's 1:33 now. KRISTEN had the genius idea to get breakfast / lunch, whatever you want to call it, from the deli. So we're gonna go run and pick that up. I'm gonna come home, keep editing. Leo's crying because we already put his leash on. I told him we're going in the car, so he's all excited. And then see where the day takes us. We got coffee too, because I wasn't really in the mood to make coffee again today. A lot of prepping to do. With like packing, cleaning, all that stuff before we go to the city tomorrow. So that's pretty much what today's gonna be, but I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop because that's what I'm here for. We didn't want to leave Mr. Leo, so he's coming with us. Yeah, you come in the car. Oh, he's so excited. You come in the car, yeah. This just makes sense. That is all. Leo is naturally very on edge, trying to figure out where KRISTEN has gone. She's right in there. Hi vlog. All right, hold on. Let me get my McDonald's bag out of the shot, which I just remembered. I think I have some leftover Coca-Cola. Is it weird that I would go to McDonald's just for the Coke? I don't know if that's just me, but having leftover Coke from McDonald's is thebomb.com. I'm in the middle of trying stuff on for the city tomorrow because Chris and I are packing, and shortly we're gonna be doing a little lookbook, what we pack for a winter weekend in NYC. I have these nails from Impress that I got at CVS. My nails are just not cute right now, as you can tell. Because I just had tips on for when we went to Vegas and they ruined my nails because I ripped them off because I was sick of having them on. Anyways, I want to have fun Christmassy nails because it's going to be a Christmassy weekend. So we're going to put these on, see how they look, and give you a review. It says a gel nail breakthrough. One-step gel manicure, safe on natural nails, hassle-free removal. Supposed to clean with enclosed prep pads. So I guess they put a little prep pad in there to wipe your nails with. Peel off the sticker or the adhesive and then press them on. Impress. Get it? I must say, I'm quite happy with how they turned out. I mean, just to have like nice nails on is perfect. It's really just what I needed. I didn't need anything too crazy. Not only are they easy to put on, I think they look kind of nice. And they're not too long. You have the option to file them if you want. I only really filed down the thumb the tiniest bit because there was something weird on it, like a little bump. I don't really know how to file my nails that well. Oh no. See, I just filed it and now it looks fucking weird. I'm gonna stop touching them. But overall, very satisfied with my purchase. I'll definitely keep you posted on how they stay. Okay, so as I said, we are currently packing for tomorrow because we leave for the city tomorrow and we're gonna be there until Sunday. Oh my God, my battery pack. Hold on. Let me just preface this by saying this is the only outfit I'm pretty unsure about. It's literally just workout leggings. I forgot the brand. This jacket is Free People. I'm also bringing it because it has a hood and it's supposed to rain this weekend at some point, so I wanted to have a hooded option. And this is just like a Terra Sky shirt from Walmart.
This is my Into the City outfit. Black shirt from Bloomingdale's, crop jacket, Levi's 501 straight leg jeans. As you can see, this is my outfit for the first night we're there for Friday night. I kept it pretty simple with all black because we're going to the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree. Jacket is from the Gap, but I thrifted it. My tank that's underneath is just like a ribbed tank from Nordstrom Rack. It is the brand Love Common Fire. Skirt is from Shein. I actually got it on Amazon when we were going to the Kesha concert, and it's become a staple ever since. These are our Blondo booties. So when you hear us say that, this is what we mean. They're such a good staple booty.
and they're weatherproof, which it might be raining and or snowing this weekend. I'm like about to fall. So we figured those would be a good option.
Like this little Victorian looking shawl. Give me very like Morticia Adams vibes. It's from a thrift store, so I don't actually know the brand. My dress is just a long sleeve black dress, some detailing, actually from Victoria's Secret, but I got it at a thrift store. On to the next one.
I'm back. Saturday we're just doing breakfast at the hotel, and the hotel is pretty close to Central Park, so we're gonna be going skating in Central Park. I'll be wearing this puffer that I thrifted, or my mom thrifted for me actually. This is a Sanctuary turtleneck, and I'm wearing it with the same leggings as the day before because I need something that's gonna tuck into skates.
So I'm wearing this cropped little puff sleeve sweater. This is from ASOS. My pants are like a shiny black paper bag high-waisted pant. On to the next one. So this outfit, oh my god, I said I was gonna do accessories. I'm hiding that from you guys for now. You'll have to see it later. You'll have to check out the next vlog. This is the shirt that I actually just wore to the ballet. It's the Highline Collective, Lord & Taylor is where I got it. I love the sleeves, lace detailing. I'm wearing it with this leather skirt from Target, and then obviously wearing it with the Blondo booties. Anything that I'm wearing with a skirt, I'm gonna be wearing tights also. So obviously you can just see the top, which is the main focus of the outfit. My top is from Zara. This is the full top. It fits really nice and I've been wanting to wear it for a while. We are going to a French restaurant before we go see Jagged Little Pill. So I thought this kind of fit that whole vibe. Pants, they're just like kind of a classic black slack with pockets over here. I got them at a thrift shop because if you can't tell, your girl loves thrift shopping. On to the next one. Last but not least, cropped leather jacket. This is from Zara. Little crushed velvet, kind of like blue-gray dress. Is actually from Marshalls, I want to say. Obviously I will accessorize it to make it a little bit warmer. This is definitely my favorite outfit. This is going to be Sunday's outfit. We're going to brunch. It's just a lace shirt underneath. I don't remember the brand. This like top that I put over it is from Free People, but I got it at Lord & Taylor. And jeans are thrifted. They are frame denim. So those are our outfits. That is what we are packing for our weekend in the city. If you want to see these outfits in action, stay tuned for vlogs number 10, 11, and 12, because they're going to be a lot of fun.